Instagram error code 6296 is one of the most frequently encountered technical issues on the platform. This error prevents millions of users from accessing their accounts and performing basic functions. When this error occurs, users typically see messages indicating that pages cannot be loaded, login attempts fail, or account functions become unavailable. The error can appear on both mobile apps and desktop browsers. Error code 6296 manifests in several ways. Users may experience login authentication failures, where valid credentials are rejected. Session timeouts occur unexpectedly, forcing repeated login attempts. Understanding the root causes helps in effective troubleshooting. Server-side issues are the most common cause, occurring when Instagram's servers experience outages or maintenance. Network connectivity problems create communication failures between your device and Instagram's servers. As of August 2025, error code 6296 affects approximately 2 to 3% of Instagram's daily active users. The error occurs most frequently during peak usage hours and is reported 4 times more often on mobile devices compared to desktop platforms. Understanding these causes and symptoms is the foundation for effective troubleshooting. In the next section, we'll explore step-by-step solutions to resolve error code 6296 and restore your Instagram access. When encountering Instagram error code 6296, start with these quick fixes that resolve most issues immediately. First, force close the Instagram app completely. Close the app, wait 30 seconds, then reopen it. This clears temporary glitches and refreshes the connection. Next, check your internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to test connectivity. Try loading other apps to verify your connection is working properly. Finally, verify Instagram's server status. Check their official status page or monitor social media for widespread outage reports. Sometimes the issue is on Instagram's end, not yours. If quick fixes don't work, try these intermediate solutions that address deeper app and account issues. Clear the app cache and data to remove corrupted files. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, Instagram, Storage, then Clear Cache. On iOS, offload and reinstall the app completely. Update the Instagram app to the latest version. Check your App Store for available updates and enable automatic updates to prevent future compatibility issues. Log out of all Instagram sessions, wait 5 to 10 minutes, then log back in with your correct credentials. This refreshes your authentication tokens. For persistent issues, these advanced troubleshooting steps address deeper system and security problems. Reset your network settings to clear any connectivity conflicts. On iOS, go to Settings, General, Reset, then Reset Network Settings. On Android, go to Settings, System, Reset Network Settings. Check your account security for any suspicious activity. Review recent login activity, change your password if needed, and enable two-factor authentication for added protection. Ensure your device has sufficient storage space. Instagram requires at least 1 gigabyte of free space to function properly. Also, restart your device and update your operating system. If all troubleshooting steps fail, try these alternative methods to access Instagram while the issue is being resolved. Try accessing Instagram through your web browser instead of the mobile app. This bypasses app-specific issues and often works when the mobile app fails. Consider using Instagram Lite as a temporary alternative. This lightweight version of Instagram uses fewer resources and may work when the main app doesn't. If you manage business accounts, third-party social media management tools can provide access to Instagram's basic functions while you resolve the error code issue.